Hello! Today we're going to study two types of problems with percentages. So what are we most often asked to calculate? We are asked to find the percentage of a number or to find the percentage of a number. These are two different tasks. When we find a percentage of a number, what do we have to do? We have to remember that in order to solve this problem, we have to multiply the percentage by our number and divide the whole thing by 100. And when we need to find a number by a percentage, that is, we need to find a number by a percentage, In this case, we multiply our number by 100 and divide it by our percentages. Here, of course, we need to write down the percent too. These are the two rules you should memorize. Of course, you may be offered the third type of tasks, but for now, we will deal with these two tasks. Finding a percentage of a number we have already discussed. For example, if we need to find 25% of 200. What do? Again, we need to find 25% of 200. Using our rule, we need to multiply 25% by our number 200 and divide by 100. What is the result in this case? Let's reduce zeros, and you get 25 times 2, that's 50. And this number will be our answer. And now another type of problem. I will work with the same numbers, but pay attention to the wording of this task. We need to find a number if 25% of that number is 200. So we need to find the number itself. What do we need to do in this case? We need to find the number itself. Then what am I doing? I multiply 200 multiplied by 100 and divide it by 25%. In order to calculate this fraction, 125 will reduce it. That leaves 1 here and 4 here, and 200 times 4, that's 800. And that will be the answer. So you need to understand what you need to find. That is, you need to find the percent of the number, or find the number by percent. If in our case, 25% equals to the number 200. And then we find that number. What are the key points here? This is of a number, then we multiply. And here, 25% is the number 200. And in this case, we will multiply by 100 and divide by these percentages. Of course, we will deal with these tasks on concrete examples. And that's all for today. Goodbye. See you again.